Good morning. I'm Dr. Ava Talmadge with Amicalola Veterinary Services, and I'm going to talk to you and give you a brief demonstration about medicating your horse. It is always useful if ahead of time you have gotten your horse used to taking a tasty treat from a syringe. And I've got a couple of things here that you can try that's strong tasting, like molasses, honey, even yogurt, peanut butter, apple or applesauce. Peppermint is a really good one, and some people have really good luck with brown sugar. It'll make things easier to have a spoonful of sugar to make the medicine go down. I have a dosing syringe, but if you have saved one of your old pasty wormers, rinse it out and clean it very well, and it can serve for this. One of the things that I do is I have just a cheap coffee grinder here. And most of the time you're going to be giving your horse SMZTP or sulfo tablets as an antibiotic or Bute as an anti-inflammatory. So we just take these little pills and we're going to put them in our coffee grinder here. And the goal is to grind this up to a fine powder. If you have clumps in there, it's going to clog up your syringe and make it difficult to get the medication in. Let's see what we got. We got a couple of clumps. See, that's a nice fine powder. And I'll take the plunger out, and I'll take some of this powder, and I will just put some in there. Misty's getting a dose of vitamin C this morning. Kind of do that. And there we go. And I have a cup of water. Sometimes this works this way. And what I'm going to do is just kind of shake this back and forth. Most of these medications do not dissolve in the water, but they will suspend enough that you can get the medication in the mouth. Another useful thing to have on hand is like a bowl and a spoon to be able to mix things in. And so we're going to go over here. Misty does not like to be medicated, so I thought she would be a good subject, but you see how I'm just taking this and easing it into her mouth. And then as I ease it in, I hold it up so gravity will help her swallow it down. You may have to go back and forth a couple of times with adding some more water. And you'll find out if you've left any clumps in there, which I have done that, so we're just going to dump that out. But I just keep adding water and doing the same thing. Hopefully that will help you. And again, I do encourage you to get your horse used to taking a treat from a syringe. And in the best of all possible worlds, you can mix your medication in a little feed and your horse will eat it down. But if he does not, then try this method. We're happy to answer any questions that you have, and you can reach us at 706-502-2989. Thank you.